Today, we are doing a deeply relaxing facial oil cleansing routine. I'm going to start out by lighting a little bit of incense. We're going to make this into a ritual. So we're going to light a little incense. You can light a candle. Really making this something special. The things that you're going to need just a cotton round, a cotton pad. You can have a few on hand, some hot water or lukewarm water, and you're going to need some sort of face oil. If you don't have those things with you today, that's okay. You can just watch and follow along, bookmark, save this video for another time for when you are ready to start. Let's start by placing our hand over our heart and arriving here. This is a routine I do with myself every morning and every night. And not only is it really great for your skin, it's really good for just your sense of well-being and happiness. So pulling the hair back, I wore my small earrings today. We'll just get started. Okay, so taking your cotton round, I have some hot water here, but running it under hot water. And the water's pretty hot. I got it ready, squeezing it out. So squeezing out your cotton round so it's kind of wet like that. You take your oil cleanser. And I do like 4 squirts. I have not washed my face yet this morning. I saved it just for you. And we just take this to the face in whatever way feels really good for you. I like to do circles. And what I love about this is it's deeply relaxing. There's no harsh chemicals. It's not messy. It's very clean. The skin stays moist after doing this routine. And you can still use your regular daily moisturizers and do your makeup after doing this routine as well. Or you can just go to bed and have this nice, beautiful, fresh, clean skin. It's great for sensitive skin. And this is the routine I always do before I do my facial reflexology or my gua sha or facial massage. So we do kind of one round, just getting the top coat. It's kind of dirty, yeah. You can use the same cotton round or get a new one and get it wet again with warm water, doing a couple squirts of the oil on there. And then doing this again. If you've been out hiking or sweating or in a dirty environment, you might want to do this 3 or 4 times. Just taking a minute to breathe, getting the neck, behind the ears, the back of the neck. You can go in your own pattern, your own way, if it feels good for you. This is a really good time to connect with yourself, self-connection, self-care, good habits. Okay, continue on if you would like to, but that is the oil cleansing routine that you can do morning, night, middle of the day if you want to. I like to lock it in with a little hydrosol spray. It's a little spray. Keep the moisturizer in there, lock it in. After this, if you're going to bed, you can put on a nighttime cream, eye creams during the day, daytime moisturizer, eye creams, and then makeup over the top. And I think you'll find that your skin stays very moist and doesn't dry out. It's very, very balancing for sensitive skin, anything of that sort. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Jessica Amos. Until next time, may you stay with yourself today and always.